How to delete general chat in Telegram. So here is a quick guide on how to delete a general chat. But first, it's important to clarify what you mean by general chat. General chat is a pinned chat group created by you, a channel or group named general. So now how to do so. First of all, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Telegram account. So now once in there, all you have to do is long press on the chat label general or the one you want to delete. Then you can see delete option available there. Tap on the delete. Then you can choose delete for me or delete for everyone. Choose any according to your preferences. Then if you are not the group or channel owner, you cannot fully delete it for everyone as well. So that is it. You can also delete it by simply sliding to the right hand side, and there you can see delete option available. Delete it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.